Welcome everyone to my keyboard review. That's right, if you didn't know, for Christmas I got a brand new gaming keyboard and you can't say it doesn't sound satisfying. I know, it's pretty good, but there is multiple selection of colours on here and some of them are pretty good. I haven't seen all of them, but let's go over the first one. The first one, it's just a simple flick through colours. It goes from like just across the keyboard and across again. You know, just like basically like a normal game keyboard. But if I press FN, it turns white. And then if I press M, it changes. So it goes from red, then to yellow, then to green, then to like an aqua blue colour, then to a darker blue, and then to purple. Purple's my favourite colour, by the way, so I really like that. Then to white. Then back to red. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. And then we got... Oh, so it doesn't go like across the keyboard. It just like... just goes through... The whole keyboard is the same colour and just kind of flicks through the colours. That's actually really good. I like that. M. Ooh, that one's actually not too bad. So, not the whole keyboard, but some bits on the keyboard go through all of the colours and then it changes to a different one. That's actually really sick. I like that. Oh, so it kind of looks like the first one, but it kind of goes in like a fan direction. It's going this way. That's actually sick. I like that. That's actually really good. And then we've got just a red one. Is this just a red one? Right, well this is just a plain red one. So all of you red lovers, there, that's the one you want. And then, oh, that's good. That's satisfying. As it just goes like across the keyboard, then it goes that way again, then it just goes like across and through the middle. That's really cool. Oh, so it goes to like the different layers in that. Like in the bottom, then it goes back to the top. This one, then this one, and the bottom one. That's actually really cool. I like that one. Oh, yes. That one's good. That one's actually really good. So if I press W, only the W key would light up and go through all the colours, then go back. So I just did... Oh yeah, that's spacebar. Oh, that one's actually so sick. This one... That one's just white. I don't know why, but it's just this one's... Oh! So, I don't know why these are on. But basically what this one is... You click one, and it goes through the top. So if I press G, it goes the G up. Like, if I don't understand, let me say I'll press J. J's level would light up, and J up. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you don't know what I mean, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, is this like... Oh, so it like depends on how much like you like click the key. So if like you go like really light, it's gonna go for like a yellow. And then if you click it harder, it goes to a green, then to a blue, and then, yeah. It goes to like that, and then goes to a blue, and then the top is purple. Purple means you're being really loud. That's actually really good. If like you can't stay up late, like you're told to be quiet, like you can like tell like how loud you are. If it's on purple, you better stay quiet. You know what I mean? Alright. Oh, so it's like if you click like an area, it kind of like does that little area. That's sick. I really like that. Is that like... Oh, so it's kind of like the other one, but if I... It's just... It's kind of like the other one, but it's just... That's spacebar click. That spacebar click. And then, look, we're back to the start. Whoa, that is my keyboard view. If I can find the box... Oh, it's just up here. It is if you're looking for a good gaming keyboard, I would recommend Fantech. This one. So It's a MaxFit 61 RGB mechanical keyboard. That's what I was meant to say anyway. And it's got there's like a thing where you grab and like you can like pull off the keys. I don't know why you want to do that. I've tried it and I got scared, so I didn't try it again. But basically, it's a really good keyboard. Here's my mouse as well. It's got that's really satisfying. I got like the clicks and the side buttons. And basically, just playing like a game. It's just, yeah. This is like the best thing I've ever gotten. The keyboard is just, oh my god, I can't get over it. Sometimes I'm playing on controller and I'll leave my keyboard on just because of how satisfying it looks. But that's pretty much it for you. This is just going over what my keyboard is and what it is. Again, it's a MaxFit 61 Fantech RGB mechanical keyboard, and my mouse is, I don't know, I think I threw the box in the bin. But my mouse is a gaming mouse. That's all I have to say. But if you guys really did enjoy the video, and if you want to see more gaming reviews, smash the like button, subscribe. Our plans for this year are to reach 200. Doesn't seem that too hard, right? I know. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.